Hello friends, good afternoon. Today we will make the tutorial how to draw or make a cabinet or cupboard or drawer, whatever you call, in the SketchUp. So we start it now. So let's start. So we make a rectangle of 60 centimeter by 1.2 meter. Extrude it up to height of 2.2 meter or as much as required. Draw grid line of 4 centimeter from left in the center. Two centimeter of its left, 2 centimeter on its right. So the center portion of the cabinet on the top 4 centimeter, and from the right, let's go to the other axis. Make it again, yes, 4 centimeter on right side. From the bottom, we take 10 centimeter. We make it again 45 centimeter each cabin size. So this area is down. You can keep it or you can remove it from small cabinet. So we got 2 centimeter grid line. We take a rectangle, make full rectangle here, left area, full on the right side. Now for this all center shelves, we make a rectangle. So we can erase all these grid lines. We put a grid line again for 20 centimeter and 20 centimeter. These areas will serve as our drawers inside the cabinet. Make a rectangle for these two drawers. Take the extrude option, we can extrude it up to back 58 centimeter. We want to extrude it back, but it's a combined portion section, so we just draw a line to keep them separate. Now we will extrude them back by 2 centimeters. We extrude the drawer back by 4 centimeter. We got 2 centimeter we need for the handles, and the door will come. So door panel will not touch it. So this bottom portion will keep as it is. You can make a door above it. Now we can raise the additional lines. Here we will make now for the hangers. So we take a grid line from the side at in the center 28 centimeters, 56 centimeter total. So it will come in the mid, and from the top we take 20 centimeter. So now we can go for a circle. We make a pipe of a circle of radius 1 centimeter. Then we use extrude option. We extrude this one up to the other end. So our hanger for the clothes is ready. Pipe. So you can see overall frame of the cabinet is ready. Now we'll take the next step and we will start drawing the door. Take it out. Make a rectangle. Okay. For the rectangle we go to our materials, and from here we give some of the color. So where's the wood? Okay. You can see there are different options are there. So we go for the wood. So there are different kind of wood. You can choose whichever you want, whichever colors you like, whichever design you like, texture, you can use it. See, we can put any kind of color we want. It's our own choice. So I keep this color. Now I will extrude this one for 2 centimeter. Actually, why I give the color before, so it will be a homogeneous color for this box. If I don't give in the initial color and extrude it, so we have to give color on all sides. Now its color is there, so we can make a copy. Now we make the handle for this drawer and for this main door. So first we start with the drawer handle. We go up to approximate in the mid. Take it in the center. Take a circle. Radius 2 centimeters. We extrude this one out 2 centimeter outside. I copy it and we bring it for the down drawer. So both are ready. So we can erase these grid lines. Now we make the door handle for the cabinet. Here I'm making the manual door handle as per my own choice. If you want, you can go to 3D warehouse and download any kind of handles from there, and you can put it over there. You take the midline, and here I will make a rectangle 4 by 4. Then extrude it for 2 centimeter. Just copy it. Press the control key and remove it down by 20 centimeters. So now we join these two parts. We take rectangle from here to here. color is different, so we just give the color. And for here I think it's better to give different color so that we can differentiate the door handle from the. It's one of the option. Just copy and paste there. Other option is that we can flip it. So first I will make it in a group. This one we can delete it. And I will copy it. We can flip it. We can give different same color for the cabinet. Internal color we keep white because the best normally we use white color for the inside. We don't use a colorful plywood or the wood inside the door cab wardrobe. But if you want to give color, it's your choice whatever you want. We take this door and place it here. So one side door is there, so you can keep it as it is. Now we copy this cabinet. We first of all we rotate the door like it's a door is open for the cabinet so that we can see from inside. So I copy this cabinet and make it on the other wrong side, and we can put this door here. So you can see your wardrobe is ready with the internal view with doors, everything. So keep in touch for the next videos. So this is just for your practice purpose. You can make anything which you like.